I was asked to do a review video for this upcoming quiz. So this quiz is going to have 5 questions on it, and here are the concepts that are going to be assessed. Number 1 is going to have, I think it has, some of these have like A and B. This definitely has A and B. So first one is going to be using the discriminant to identify number and type of solutions. I'm not going to do one now because I have another video with that, so feel free to look that video up on my channel and watch it. Solve with the quadratic formula is going to be number 2. I think that also has A and B, with an easier one and a hard one. So you can watch the 2 videos I have with an easy quadratic formula problem and a hard one. Number 3 is rewriting in vertex form, which I'm going to actually do for you now because I don't have anything else on it. So let's see, if we're going to rewrite this in vertex form, we got our A, B, and C given here, and we need to write vertex form is a x minus h squared plus k, and that would be equal to y. And you need to find your a, h, and k. A is just the same as the a in the original equation, so a is still going to be 3. But we need h and k. So remember, h is negative b over 2a. So we're going to do negative b, which is going to turn into positive 12 over 2a, which is 6. 12 over 6 is 2. So we have our h value. And then to find k, that's f of h. So we are going to plug that 2 into our function. So right here, we're going to have 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 2. All these spots are going to get replaced with 2. So let me write that better. 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 2. So that's going to be 3 times 4, which is 12, because we're following order of operations, and then minus 12 times 2 is 24, and then plus 2, which is going to give us negative 10. So that's our k value, negative 10. Then once we have a, h, and k, then we put them together in this form. So it's going to be 3x minus 2. If this had been a negative 2, you would have had to put x plus 2. It always changes when it goes in there. And then plus, well, actually minus 10 because it's negative. So that's going to be your answer. Y equals. So that's how number 3 is going to be. And then for number 4, you're going to have a quadratic regression problem, which is using your calculator. And I'm going to post a video that someone else has made on that in the info on this video. If you look on more information, you can see that link in there and follow that link if you need to see how to do that in the calculator. And you'll have to look it up on your own if you're in a different model. The one that I'm going to post is for the TI-84. And then last problem is going to be on writing a quadratic equation given 3 points. Again, I have a video on that, so you can just watch that. All right, good luck studying.